Creating faceless video for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and even Facebook is the best passive income method in 2026, and it's easier than ever now. YouTube channels like Presence and Path, MJV Animations have gained so much success with their videos. The only thing that these channels are doing to achieve their success is to upload videos consistently into already viral niches. And that's actually the hardest part of this process. Normally, your first several videos are not going to go viral, because it takes time to grow a YouTube channel from scratch. Most of the new creators give up at that point. If these successful channels had given up at the start, they wouldn't be here today with thousands of subscribers. When it comes to creating AI videos for your channels, the process is not as simple. And it costs money for image generation, AI voice generation, and especially for AI videos. You need to have several subscriptions. And apart from those, you need to purchase a subscription for video editors. That's why I'm going to show you an AI tool that can make that process 100 times easier. And it only took me just several minutes to make a video with this tool. Just take a look at this video. In the next few minutes, you will learn exactly how to make a video like that for any niche using Robo Neo AI. This is an all-in-one AI tool. We can generate and edit videos in the same place. The best thing is that we don't have to jump around several AI tools. You can use the link in the description to sign up for this AI. Okay, once you sign up, this is the homepage you're going to see. And the things that this tool can do will blow your mind. As you can see here, we have several video styles as templates. I'm sure that you have seen some of these on YouTube or TikTok because they are already going viral. I will come to those later. The first thing I'm going to show you is how easy it is to use this chat box feature. For example, let's say you want to create an anime-style video clip for your motivational videos. You just need to type it here and click this small icon to select the AI model that you need this tool to use. Then just click the Generate option, and it's going to generate your video within a few minutes. It's just as simple as that. And I know that's not a new thing for you guys, but that's not the best feature this AI tool has. The best feature is this workflow option. Using this, you can create templates for any style of videos. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a bit. This specific video has gained 330,000 likes on Instagram, and the views are probably double that amount. Creating this sort of AI video with a single prompt is impossible, and most of the time you will not get the output you want. That's why we use workflows to create these videos. If you click this Recreate option, you will be able to see the workflow that has been used to make this video. And remember, this is one of the simplest and shortest workflows. I'm just going to use this to explain how workflows work. As the reference image, they have used this cat, and these boxes are called nodes. This image is connected to the image editor node, and there is also a text node here, which has a prompt to convert this cat into a new image. Both this image and the text node are connected to this editor. In this editor, we can select the AI model we want. In this case, it's going to be Nano Banana Pro. Then, this new AI image has connected to a new node, which is a image to video node. Just like before, there is a text node as well to provide the prompt for video generation. As the AI video model, they have selected Kling 2.6. And that's how this workflow works. Now, this video has gained around 800,000 likes on YouTube. It also has a simple workflow. In this case, they have used several text-to-video nodes to create several video clips. As we can see here, this is a video node, and this text node contains the necessary prompt for this generation. And there are several video nodes like that. In the previous example, it only had one video, but here we have several video clips. And this collage node is connected to all the videos. It's going to combine all the video clips together. And here we have an audio node connected to a background music node, which is also connected to the final video, and it's going to add the background music to the final video. I hope you have a clear idea about how this workflow works. Now, I'm going to try to create a new workflow. Let's go to this option and create a new project. In this case, I'm going to create an AI time-lapse video series. If you click this plus icon, you can find all sorts of nodes here. In this case, I'm going to add a text-to-video node. For this first video, I already have the prompt, so I'm going to paste it here. Then, as the video model, let's go with Kling, because that's my favorite AI video model. And let's set the duration as 10 seconds. Then, you can turn on or off sound effects. That's up to you. Then, let's generate the first clip. While it is generating, I'm going to make another text-to-video node, and let's add the prompt for the second video clip. Just like this, I'm going to also add third node. Now, all the 3 video clips are generating, so let's add a collage node so that we can combine all these clips together. After the videos are generated, you can simply connect them to the collage. Just click this small circle and drag it like this. You need to connect all 3 clips to here. And finally, I'm going to add an audio node. Now, I can upload background music to this node from my device. In order to connect the background music, I'm going to need to use the background music node. Then, I'm going to connect this audio node to this. And finally, I'm going to connect this full video to this node, and that's going to complete this time-lapse video. That was the result I got. Now, if you have a specific video script that you want to create a video from, you can easily do that with the workflow option. I'm going to open a new project. Here's what you need to do. You need to use this shot script node. Then you can use your video script on this text node, make several shots, or you can create a storyboard for your video script. You can change the number of shots you need with this option here. As you can see, we have 10 shots for the video script, and all of those are in text nodes with suitable prompts. Now, you can add either text to an image node or text video nodes to these and generate each scene separately. In here, I duplicated these nodes, and let's connect those with the text nodes so that we can generate the output. And then you can add a collage node to combine all the videos together. And let's say you want to add the voiceover to this video. All you got to do is add a voiceover node. As you can see here, there are 2 nodes connected to this, a text and a video node. I'm going to paste the video script to this text node, and from here we can select a suitable AI voice for this video. Then I'm going to delete this video node, and let's connect the output video from the collage node to this, and that's how you add the voiceover to your videos. Now we can select all these nodes and run them all instead of doing one by one. This process is really simple.
Deep inside the Amazon rainforest, where sunlight barely reaches the forest floor, and rivers flow in near total darkness, legends speak of a massive, unknown serpent, believed to be the largest mystery snake on Earth, a creature so enormous and elusive that science cannot confirm its existence.
That's how easy it is to make a video using this AI tool. Robo Neo Web is a powerful platform for content creators, editors, designers, and freelancers who want to turn ideas into eye-catching images or videos in minutes. Whether you're out of inspiration, have ideas but don't know how to execute them, or you're struggling with low click-through rates, this tool has you covered. Robo Neo is your inspiration engine. It takes your ideas, mixes them with proven viral formats, and gives you ready-to-use templates you can tweak in seconds. So if you're stuck on ideas or your clicks are low, just swap the image, generate the video, and you're good to go. With this AI tool, posting content every day is actually easy now. I hope you will learn some valuable information from this video. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment. I will see you guys in the next video.